this morning I'm about to make me my own McGriddle at home. It ain't gonna have an M on it, but I have me some pancake batter here. I'm using Hungry Jack's pancake mix, the one you just add water, but I added milk, okay? And just follow the instructions on the back. Now I don't have maple syrup, but I got me some of this Cinnabon syrup. I'm gonna add a little bit, cause y'all know that McGriddle and McDonald's have that syrupy flavor, a hint of it in there, that maple syrup. But we're gonna have us a hint of the Cinnabon. So I'm just gonna mix that in. And I know they add vanilla to it too, but I'm not gonna add no vanilla flavor. I'm saving my vanilla flavor. Okay. Okay. So I got my McGriddle. It's been heating up for a minute now, y'all. I'm gonna try to cook my sausage on here too. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, cooking the sausage on the McGriddle, because it's kind of thick. I mean, I could go ahead and cook it in the skillet. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to cook it in here. Let's see. Let's see how the sausage turn out first. I don't need to spread because the sausage ain't gonna stick anyways. Okay. So let's see if this sausage cooks on the Nostalgia My Mini Griddle. Okay. So we're gonna try to cook that, and then we're gonna go to the pancakes. I got my eggs beaten. I only beat 3 eggs because if this works out good, I'm gonna see how the sausage do first, because I know the eggs and the pancake will cook on the mini griddle. I know a cheeseburger will cook on the mini griddle. But let's see if this sausage cooks on this mini griddle, because if not, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the sausage in my skillet. So but we're gonna go ahead and cook these pancakes after we test out this sausage. Let me check it right quick. I know it ain't cooking that fast. So for the amount of sausages that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the skillet. Y'all don't laugh at me. This is Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We trying something different. I ain't never did cook no sausage on this. I ain't cooked nothing but a hamburger on it. So I mean, the hamburger, you know, you can eat a little raw, but I don't know about no sausage. So I'll be back. I'm gonna give this a few more minutes. Oh, it look like it's cooking, but we gotta make sure the middle done. But I don't want to take all that time cooking that sausage one by one, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook it in this skillet back here, cause I'm gonna cook one of these for everybody this morning. Okay. And I want y'all to see me try this. I know it ain't hot, but I can still go ahead and put my sausage on there. It's not like it's gonna stick or anything. It's just gonna cook once it heats up. Yeah. Okay. Everybody should be able to get at least 2 pieces of sausage a piece. I hate this stove. I'm so glad I'm moving. I hope the stove be better than this. If not, I'm gonna ask them, can I'm renting, not buying. So all I feel, I ask them, can I get me my own stove? You know, put one in there myself. Let's check this sausage. Oh, it's browning. But let's see if it cooks all the way through. I'm gonna give it some more minutes. The light done popped back. The light popped on there, popped off. So it's browning, but I want to make sure that it browns on the inside, cooks on the inside. Okay, because we ain't eating no raw sausage up in here. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to flip this over, because that bottom look like it cooked better than the top. Okay, so let's see how this turns. So I cut it open, y'all, to see if it cooks all the way through. And guess what? This mini griddle is cooking this sausage. See? And that's in the middle. So, yeah. it cooks. Just gotta let it. I guess you'd say this will have to go for about 6 minutes, and it works. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna let this. I'm not gonna eat this because I done broke it up, but it does work. Okay, you gotta let it cook for. But I give it about 7 minutes. Let me take this off. And I'm going to finish cooking this sausage to the side. But if you're just one person, you just trying to cook it for you, it works. Okay, let me clean this off. And let's start cooking our pancakes on this Nostalgia My Mini Griddle. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's put some pancake batter on here. Let's see. You just want enough to be able to spread out on here. So that's like a half a ladle right there. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna lay this down. And we're gonna let this cook, okay? My sausage will be done in about a half a minute, so I'm gonna get that up. But we're gonna let this pancake cook so we can make us some mini breakfast sandwiches, okay? Okay, so I think I need to flip this pancake over some just to get a little cook on the other side. Y'all see how pretty that turned out? Ooh, it is so pretty. A pancake on my mini griddle. And we saw that it can cook sausage. So if you're one person, this will work out just fine, okay? Lower this so y'all can see that pretty pancake. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go for another like minute or so to brown it a little bit on the other side, because we want to make sure this pancake is cooked all the way through for our pancake breakfast sandwich. So at least to have 2 for the video, I'm gonna go ahead and cook these pancakes. And then I'm going to cook the eggs, and I'm going to come back and show y'all how to cook the egg on your Nostalgia My Mini Griddle. Now see it? I took it up. See how fluffy it is? It's cooked all the way through. Woo! Hot. So now let's go ahead and let's try to cook an egg on here for our breakfast sandwich. So far, so good. Everything has turned out fine, okay? The second pancake don't look like the first one though. Let's see if we can get a fluffy egg good enough for this breakfast sandwich. Okay, so let's check this egg out. Ooh, it's poofy. It went back down, so it's done. And it's fluffy, and it's the same size as the pancake, y'all. So the egg cooked just fine, just like them little restaurant eggs that they use. So let me go ahead and try to put this Copycat McDonald's McGriddle together and get a thumbnail, y'all, because I know y'all don't want to stay too long in this video, okay? So here is my Copycat McGriddle. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video by Cooking with TK. If you have a Nostalgia My Mini Griddle, this is something that you can make on your Nostalgia Mini Griddle. So please share this video out with each and every one you like. I hope this is a good breakfast idea. So it can be a dinner idea. Some people like breakfast for dinner. I do have cheese on here. I have my sausage. This is my egg. And of course the bottom pancake is under there. So stay tuned to my channel for another great video. Peace. Have a wonderful day.